Hi everybody, it's Deb from DandDArtGallery. Today I have a 12 by 12 canvas that is a repour. I had done a painting on this earlier. I didn't like it, so I figured let's give it another try here. And I have put down a base coat of the Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White on the sides, the top, the corners. I'll give it a little torch to get rid of some of those air bubbles. Today I'm just going to do a simple ring pour. So move the canvas to the side. My colors are the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, Liquitex Basic Phthalo Green, and then Delta Creative Bright Yellow Cream Coat, Liquitex Basics Alzarin Crimson Hue, and the three blues I had made up with a recipe that I learned from Julie Cutts of Pouring Your Heart Out. This is Marina. This is Southern Seas, and this is Deep Sea. Very pretty colors. She did a video on mixing all her blues, and that's where I made those from. And last I have the Grumbacher Payne's Gray. So I'll get started layering. Just start with some white. And some green. And let's do some of the blue, the light blue. The Southern Seas. The Deep Sea, some of the Payne's Gray, and let's give it some white. The Alzarin Crimson Hue. Some of the light blue on here. Some of the yellow. Deep Sea. Another layer of white. Green, Southern Seas, Payne's Gray, another layer of white, crimson, let's do the light blue, the dark blue, the Deep Sea it's called, See how much paint I have here? Plenty of paint. And let's end it with the green. Okay. Again, this is just going to be a ring pour. And I did not add silicone to any of these paints today. And my pouring medium is just 50% Floetrol, 50% paint. I give a squeeze of GAC in all my paints. And then if they need to be thinned, I thin them with my mixture of 90% water and 10% Floetrol. Okay. I think I will give this a torch. And I will start tipping. And I'll try and go in a circular motion here. I'm going to bring it back to the center here. Okay, I'm going to triangle over my corners now. I'm going to bring that back down into the middle. I'll get this corner now. And the last corner. Okay, I'm just going to take a look at it here for a minute. I think I will torch again. Just going to take a look at it here a minute. I really like this corner down here with that yellow and the crimson. I'm going to do a little more tipping here, see what I get. I'll tip off some of this white here a little bit. I'll try and draw it back into the center a little bit. It doesn't have to be exactly in the center. Just whatever you feel looks favorable to you. Okay, I think I'll give it another torch here. Okay, I'll clean off the bottom. Check my sides and my corners. I really like the few areas that this painting has that's like a real rainbow effect on it. Okay, I'll get you down for a close-up. Okay, this is the upper left-hand corner. It's real pretty up there with that crimson coming through. And a lot of little cells there. Okay, the bottom left-hand corner. Not a lot of the crimson came through, but where it did with the yellow and the green, it's so pretty. That area right in the middle, a few cells there. There's the upper right-hand corner. And again, we're getting into that rainbow effect. So pretty, especially down in this area. Very pretty. That's the lower right-hand corner. So let me know what you think. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't yet. Ring the bell so you know the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, take care everybody. Bye.